roar of the ocean, and some like the wind when it gets, and some like the shake of a little earthquake. But to me all that stuff really pales to the feeling when rock is a-rolling, and the lava that no one can stop. Get out of the way, don't you hear what I say? The earth's gonna soon blow its top. Volcano, the earth is clearing its throat. Volcano, and now it's all that she wrote. You better run, don't you stand there and gawk. Hey, this is one hot, hot rock. I like the steam and the pressure, and the way that the earth trembles so. And when the force is too great, it's all it can take. Hey, watch out, there she blows. And just like a bright fiery river that goes out to light up the night, the lava will flow, and you better go as fast as a chicken in flight. Volcano, the earth is clearing its snow. Volcano, and that was all that she wrote. You better run, don't stand there and gawk. Hey, this is one hot, hot rock.
Bubbles and gurgles and oozes all day. It goes where it wants, who will stand in its way. You never should laugh, and please never mock, 'cause this is one mean, nasty rock. Volcano, the earth is clearing its throat. Volcano, and that was all that she wrote.
You better run, don't you stand there and gawk. Hey, this is one hot,